Welcome to Alpine Daily for Tuesday. We're talking about how to connect with people. How to live for outward purpose means having an influence in the lives of people around us. And many of us want to have more influence and want to help others pursue God, but we're really not that great at relationships. So I want to talk about simply how to be a friend. Some of it's scriptural, some of it is just common sense and experience. Let's start with Matthew chapter 7. In verse 12, Jesus said, "So in everything, do to others what you would have them do to you, for this sums up the law and the prophets." Well, that defines relationships for us, doesn't it? Treat people as you want to be treated. That means being intentional about connecting with others. I want people to notice me, and so I'm going to notice them. It means I want to treat people with kindness and warmth and genuinely care about their lives. It means taking an interest in people, caring about what they're interested in, wanting to listen to their stories and find out about their lives. And it means putting the focus on them instead of trying to get everyone to pay attention to us. When you can put yourself in the other person's shoes and you want to treat them the way you like to be treated, then we stop thinking about ourselves and we can really focus on someone else. And to treat them well, that's what creates great friendships and great relationships. Now in James chapter 1, we read this: "My dear brothers and sisters, take note of this. Everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry." Anger certainly does undermine relationships, but the thing I want to focus on here is the idea of becoming a good listener. Sometimes we need to just stop thinking about what we want to say and pay attention to what the other person is actually saying. How often have you found yourself really not hearing what someone else is saying because you're thinking about what you want to say as soon as you have a moment to do so? Another part of being a good listener is simply being attentive to the other person's words and also their nonverbal cues. Really hearing what they're saying, but also seeing what they're saying. Looking at their facial expression, looking at their body language, picking up on their tone of voice. And part of being a good listener is also to become more aware of your own nonverbal cues. Are you looking over someone's shoulder? Are your eyes glancing around the room? Your arms folded? In other ways, are you communicating that you're not really listening? Finally, as a good listener, you want to actually remember the important things that someone else shares with you. Now, sometimes what helps me is I'll make notes when I'm done with a conversation so that next time I talk to that person, I can demonstrate that I really do care, that I really was listening and paying attention. So take a minute before you log off and think and pray about how you're doing in these basic relationship skills. God bless you. Have a wonderful day today.